What's up, guys? Welcome back into the Millennial Profit. My name's Adam and I'm a full-time reseller. If you're new here, I'll show you all different kinds of ways to make money. So if you like money, hit that subscribe button. Today we have another extra 70% off Academy clearance event where everything in store, all of the yellow tags for clothing, shoes, and accessories will ring up an additional 70% off. As always, I called this out in my group as soon as I learned about it, and members were able to absolutely eat up. I'm seeing some crazy hauls, tons of shoes, lots of clothing, even seeing some hats, and we're stocking up on tons of good inventory for this quarter four. I myself only hit 2 stores. I have one an hour east and one an hour west. I almost went to Indianapolis, but I had a soccer game, so I just didn't have time for it. So I hit 2 stores, but had a pretty solid haul myself. Let's break down everything I got and what everything's selling for.
All right, let's run down some of the highlights from the haul. Let's better organize that though first. That's better. All right, let's run down everything I got. This is honestly a crazy haul for just 2 stores. Usually I hit like 5 or 6 in this sale. I was pretty content after 2. Look at these. I got Cincinnati Red City Edition. Let's see if I can turn it over here. Barry Larkin. Absolutely sick. Remember, everything is an additional 70% off of the tag. So these were like $36. Nobody has authentic ones on these. There's only knockoffs on eBay. So I'll be able to ask over $100 for each of these. And then you guys know I love my hats. So this was a dream for me. Look at all of these Ohio State hats. $6 on all of those, which is absolutely insane. They got the Ryan Day sideline hat. All of these are Nike. Easy $25 to $30 on those all day long. And then we got a few Steelers hats, a couple different styles of these. And these were all like $9 or $10 on these. This was the heavy hitter though. Look what this bad boy's going for literally all day. One of those listings has sold like 22 hats, which is crazy. Got a couple other sideline ones. Those are all easy money. Then let's come on over here to the boots. This is one of my better finds. Had some pretty good luck at finding a couple of these at both. With the shoes, I'm just gonna throw the comps up on the screen because my memory cannot remember what all these are exactly selling for. So I'll tell you what I paid for it by doing some quick mental math on these, basically taking 10% of that, 9 times 3, so $27 each on those. And I know they're going for over like $100. These, $33 on these Timberlands. We got these cat boots here that were $21. Got some more Carhartts underneath. Cannot go wrong with Carhartt. Ariat's a really good work brand as well. These are all steel toe as well. Same with these. Steel toe boots are just money in the bank. $30 on each of those. Under them and over there, we got some Wolverine Carlsbad, which were about $20. And then I just started dipping my toe into the kids shoe market, actually last Academy sale, and I sold out of all of those really fast. So I bought some more. These are literally the most adorable Air Maxes ever. And they were like $10. They sell for like 40, but they weigh literally nothing, like maybe 8 ounces, maybe 12 tops, but easy money there on those 3. Those will sell super well. And then we got the little Tims. Come on now. Come on now. Those were like 12 bucks. They sell for like 40 to 60. Ignore the neighbor weed whacking. Next, we have all of our shoes, individual ones, and then we got a couple multiple ones down there. Let's do the individuals first. These bad boys, $36 on those. These are some high-end Asics. These are some low-end Asics, but I'll still pick them up at like 24 bucks. These ones like $13. Again, another low-end pair, but they'll sell through pretty quick. Asics always do. New Balance here, $18. Can't beat those. Some cleats for banger. We got these for like 19 or 20. 16 or 17 bucks on these Nike Revolutions. Lower end Nike pair, but they always sell for like 55, 60 bucks. $15 here on these Nike court shoes. People use these for pickleball or for tennis. Most likely pickleball right now. We got these Nike Air Maxes here for like 16 bucks. Can't beat that. $26 or $27 on these Metcons. And then lastly in this row, had to really pay up for these. $36, but look at those comps. Now getting to this row, we found a couple pairs of Brooks. $30 on these. These are women's, but the comps there don't lie. Comps don't lie. We got these Ghost 17s here. I really had to pay up for those, $45, but those are absolute money in the bank. Turn these backwards. I've sold some light classics like these in actually some what sold videos that I've gotten from Kohl's. $15 on those. They go for like 60. These are just another pair of these that I didn't stack up. We got another pair of Nike Revolutions. Again, lower end pair, but they always sells through pretty well. Got some Flex Experiences here. $15. Should be easy money on those. Next, we got these Air Zooms here. $27 on those. Got some indoor turf cleats. Those always sell super well, like 12 bucks on those, can't beat that. $30 here on each in this stack. Those are easy money. Nike Frees, those are always free money if you can get them at the right price. $24 on those, and got a stack of them. I always do pretty well with Giannis's, especially like a blackout pair. Anytime you can get like triple black in a shoe or a hat, it just always does well. It's just a very popular colorway. We got $18 on those. These, another one I had to pay up for. And again, I will get asked this because all these have the lids off, especially this one that doesn't even come with the box. I'm not going to sell these new with box. I'm selling them new without box. I'm not even picturing the box because you're just asking for problems with the lid off. And technically with no lid, you cannot sell them new with box. But on bricks like this, it doesn't really affect the price. Maybe $5 tops on like a higher end pair. Anyways, we got these for $33. The comps are crazy on those, 2 pairs of them. These, same price on those. And again, the comps are nuts. And then these, like I said, last clearance event, I was picking up a bunch of kids shoes. I actually picked up a bunch of kids cleats last time. And they always sell for like 45, 50 bucks. And again, they weigh absolutely nothing. These are even lighter. These are literally like 8 ounces if I just ship these in a bubble mailer. Honestly, maybe 4. These weigh absolutely nothing. So they don't really cost anything to ship. And they're only like 16 bucks. So I took a shot on 3 pairs of those. So that is the haul.
Overall, very good haul, especially for only 2 stores. I'm super grateful for everything that I found. This was actually the earliest I've been able to hit this event. Resellers always hit this event hard, and usually I'm a couple days late, so I just get the scraps. But I was able to hit that first store right when they first opened, and then a couple hours later, I was able to hit the other one. And I'm very happy with the haul that I had. I'm super stoked about all those hats. You guys know I'm a hat fanatic and buy probably way too many hats. But $6 Ohio State hats, cannot beat those whatsoever. So that will pretty much wrap it up. If you're interested in joining my reselling Discord group to not miss out on the next sale like this, and also to get daily in-store and online leads, you can check that out. First link in the description. We're currently offering a 7-day free trial. Hopefully you guys have already stacked up on enough inventory for Q4. I think I have, but we'll just have to see. I always wish I would have bought more, but no regrets. There's money to be made everywhere, guys. Let's go get it. Thank you for watching The Millennial Prophet.